It's math time again with Mrs. Depperschmidt. Today we're going to work on a brain teaser puzzle that I think you'll quite enjoy, and it's one of the series of problems that we will call Put on Your Thinking Cap. That means that they're just a little bit more challenging. In order for me to get in the mood, I'm going to put on my very own thinking cap, and we'll get started. Let's see. All right. Today the brain teaser goes like this. A 5-digit number is made up of different digits that are all odd numbers. Put on your thinking cap and let's work on this one together. A 5-digit number is made up of different digits that are all odd numbers. If you'd like to work on this on your own, stop the video right now and see if you can come up with the solution a different way than I'm about to do it. This is your chance to pause. The way that comes to my mind to solve this problem starts like this. First, we will set it up by finding the important information, the clues that are in the problem. The first clue I have is that we're working with a 5-digit number. We also need to realize that all the digits are different and they are odd. And I've made some blank lines with a comma here so that I have an idea of what my number is going to look like. That's what I call set it up. Get in mind what you're dealing with from the clues you have. This problem works a little bit like the clues that we did in class that some of you brought with you and shared. So it works like this. Here's another view of the setup with the clues highlighted and our empty spaces. But now we're going to get one more clue. The other information we are given is the question, what is the greatest possible number? What could this thing be that has the highest value? This is where your game in class with the place value game, your time will really serve you well. To make the greatest possible number, we want the highest digit in the highest place value column. For this case, it would be the 10,000s. Now, what are all the possible digits we can have in our number? They're the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, in order to make the highest possible number, we put the 9 in the 10,000s. We put the 1 in the ones column because that's the lowest value column, and it's also the digit with the lowest value. And we arrange the other odd number digits in decreasing order. So the highest possible number we could make is 97,531. There's a better view of it. Well done. The next part of the puzzle asks the question, what is the value of the digit in the hundreds place? You might notice that I've put an apostrophe on the end of the word hundreds. That's because in our practice of English writing, you know that if something is possessive, it belongs to them. We use an apostrophe. Our math book doesn't work that way. It was originally written in a different language. But I will be doing it when I write mine. I put an apostrophe here because the column belongs to the hundreds. That apostrophe shows position. And back to the mathematical question, the value of the digit in the hundreds place is, of course, 500. That's our brain teaser puzzle for today. If you know Spanish, I know someone who calls a puzzle like that a rompecabezas, something that can break your head. That's the term in Spanish that I know for a puzzle. We'll do more of these rompecabezas as we go along. I hope you're having a great time, and please remember to be kind.